In front of me is Oukitel OT11 and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency contacts on this tablet. Begin by launching settings first and scrolling down to access safety and emergency. Then tap on emergency contacts. Select add contact and click on the one that you wish to add. Then do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. To remove one of your contacts, hit this icon of an X on the right and confirm your choice in the pop-up. To change order of them, hit reorder at the top right corner. Then hold and drag the chosen ones, and when you finish, hit save, also at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!